Good morning. That is sunrise. It is stupid o'clock in the morning, and today I'm going to try and photograph the Dickcissel. So come along and enjoy this adventure. There he is. The Dickcissel's right up here on these power lines here. This bird is, hear him calling, hear him calling. He is a very vocal bird. This is a bird that is a little bit of out of territory. North Carolina is not a rare area for Dickcissels, but they're not anyways but uncommon or anything. They're a fairly rare bird. They normally breed in the Great Plains of the Midwest. They like large open areas here. This male here is calling up on these power lines here. The problem I'm having is a photograph of this bird up in the power lines is really not a good picture. It's just kind of, you can't make it into a good picture. I mean, if you want to use it as a documentary photo, that's fine, but we gotta wait for him to fly down on some branches and trees or something like that. But it is really cool. He just came out here and he's just calling, so now all I have to do is wait for him to hop down and I can get a picture of him up on some branches or something. Well, when I've been waiting for that Dickcissel to fly from the power lines to one of these bushes around here, I was able to photograph an orchard oriole. This is a female orchard oriole. Now the females have this yellowish green color to them with a black mask, where the males are a burnt orange and black color. They are an incredibly beautiful bird, and here in North Carolina they're more on the rare side than they are common. They do breed here in the state. But when you get the opportunity to see one, they're an incredibly beautiful bird. I'm very excited to see one because usually you can find them here in North Carolina. You spend some time looking for them, but they can be a bird that can avoid you if they want to. So if these photos are any good, here they are. That Dickcissel just flew down onto this Evergreen Branch here. He's in perfect light here. He is just sitting there calling. Beautiful, beautiful light on him, on the tree. He's got like a bluish gray cloud behind him, so I don't have this realishly overexposed background. He's got the light on him really, really nice. He's cooperating a lot here. This is incredible here. I can't tell you, he just flew off. But this is the kind of things that you wait for. If you're patient, that bird will fly, hopefully will fly into the right position. Anyways, if these photographs are any good, here they are. Well, one of the drawbacks about photographing birds in the open field, especially here in North Carolina, is the light gets really, really harsh, really, really fast. You got about an hour to an hour and a half after sunrise to an hour and a half before sunset. And the rest of the day, you can tell by these harsh shadows that I have coming off my hand here that they can be a major distractions in your photographs. So I'm going to end out here. I really had a good time. I'm glad I was able to get a photograph of that Dickcissel. It was exciting out here. Getting a photograph of that orchard oriole was very good too. So if you got anything out of it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy, and thank you for watching.